Wagwan people.
Wagwan!
Overcompensating. The sun bright though, man. Word. You want the shit?
No, mom, no.
Oh. We're on the way to Costco.
Nothing exciting.
No, we just have to buy some Pampers. Daycare sent me a letter, so all her Pampers there. So we're just gonna buy some Pampers. And we want to take the time to big up the people them who come back every week. I mean,
yep.
This is going to make vlog 19, and for the people that are watching on vlog 1, I just really want to thank you guys for supporting my channel, and you know, come back every week to come watch your foolishness. I mean, I love doing the comedic videos, but I also like doing vlogs. Like, I really love the vlog part, and I just want to big up the people them who love all of the content, right? So yeah, we're just out for some Sunday goodness. I mean, I just buy some shit, but yeah. My eye did that scratch when it feel good. Oh god.
Big clip get rum up.
What? What?
Oh, not what?
No, but you gotta just say stop.
What do you think me say?
Nothing.
The skilly bang me singing, you know. The
okay.
clip.
Okay.
The clip. What the hell?
So, Orlando gone to Costco, and me and Zaïre in the car. I realized that we have to pick up battles. We have to pick up battles wisely. I'm good on this. Because, normally we would have tried kill up ourselves, the two are going to the supermarket with him, and we'll kind of get a miserable experience. Few times we do. Yeah, so only a few times we're actually going to the supermarket with him or into the stores, and we have an okay experience with him now through a tantrum or them kind of something there. We just decided to just divide and conquer, because I just the two of us right now with him. Last year my mother did there where, you know, at least we could have left him at the house and we could have run come on the road in our Uber. So I mean, having our own vehicle makes it more convenient as well. But I just did really want, because him could have come out alone too, but I really wanted to go to Walmart to buy my hair products and them something there, and Orlando don't really know what I need. Like, I could have sent him a picture, but me really want to go. The sun out and nice, and I think when the sun out, if I try and make an effort to come out of the house, man, no matter how cold it is, just try and make an effort to come outside, because the sunshine far and few. You forget to say you have the key. Oh, I may have the key. Yeah. Totally forgot. Oh. Oh, you back cookie too? Good morning, guys. Ooh, this looks yummy. It tastes yummy, but I forgot to add sugar. this morning I actually, well, we ran out of coffee at home, so I decided to use a gift card to get us some Starbucks. That's the only way I buy Starbucks, if I have a gift card. And Christmas time, everybody gave a gift card for Starbucks for some reason. So this is like one of 3. But yeah, the weather is looking lovely again. Spring is definitely coming. Spring is coming, and I am so happy for that, because that means it's time to explore. It's time to go outside and relax, you know. You know, if you put on a bunch of clothes just to go outside. I even have on this scarf today only because I made a poor choice in top. Like, my chest is all the way, you know, it's just wide open. But yeah, it's 10 degrees right now. 10 degrees. Come on, spring is coming. But yeah, I also wanted to say, I wanted to ask, are you guys avid Starbucks shoppers, goers, you know? Like, do you guys go to Starbucks like every day? If you do, big up to you. I just saw someone in Starbucks and she was literally like, I'll have 1 shot today. So I'm like, you're here every day, because the lady obviously know your order. Who has money to be spending $5 every day on a cup of coffee? And I mean, of course, that is based on like what you put in it, so it might be more expensive. This was $5.85. Okay, it's a caramel macchiato. I do not see myself spending that much money on a cup of coffee. However, I am cheap. I do aspire to get to that point in life where I don't watch money that hard, but we're not there yet, right? We're not there yet. But as I said, if you guys love Starbucks like that, just leave a comment below and let me know. And let me know why, you know, you have to buy Starbucks like that every morning. Because, yeah. Anyways, may I talk too long about Starbucks now. I'm going home to work for the rest of the day. Zaïre and Orlando are at daycare and work respectively. And I shall go home and work. So I'll see you guys later. Happy Monday, guys. If my head looks weird while I'm talking, like it just stuck and I'm moving my body, it's because I have this bun and then I put the seat up so high. My bun is like stuck to the roof, like it's so annoying. But yeah, I'm on my way to pick up Zaïre from daycare, and then I'm going to go and get Orlando. Daylight saving time started yesterday, and yeah, it did start yesterday in the early hours of Sunday, and it completely threw me off. Like, I did not expect it to throw us off that much. But fortunately, Zaïre never woke up that grumpy this morning, because, you know, funny enough, today, March 15th, makes 1 entire year, 1 complete year that he's been here. But last year, of course, because of COVID, he didn't start daycare right away. So, yeah. But I also uploaded a video yesterday about moving to Canada, what persons should know before, and the reception has been good. Like, I know people want to migrate, but like, the reception is really good. So if you haven't watched that video, you can go ahead and watch it. I'll go ahead and put it up here. And yeah, so I'm just heading to daycare. Happy Saturday, guys. We are on our way to Ikea. We've decided that we're going to give Zaïre's room a little facelift. So we're gonna look on some stuff at Ikea before we actually purchase anything. So take it on! Yes.
I love you. This one royal family that will not be a part of the racist team, yeah?
Anyways, bye.
You see, Prince Zaïre around there, he has not lost his title or anything. Oh, I need to change lanes.
Sure.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. We're just here.
Grab the baby.
Right here is the baby, right here is the baby, the royal baby, Prince Zaïre of the Netherlands. You understand?
Netherlands? Act normal, act normal. Oh god. What we're gonna do? Oh. How much is it? 169. Oh Lord.
CANON tablet. Hello tablet.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. No, that's not awesome.
Guys, this is the life when you have a stroller and kids.
See, right now Babylon how old we know. But we're too much for us.
People. Oh gosh. Ladies, isn't this a lovely bedroom? Oh my word. This lamp is so cute. Bed frame with 4 storage boxes for $4.99. I mean, that's just for the bed. This is so cute. Look on the chair. I guess it's for people with studio apartments. Oh, hold on. Guys, this is the crates that I have in the corner of the room. Huh? Oh, and then the bottle with the lights. Oh, it's a bigger version of this, not this. But the armchair, I'm carry you for show you. I mean, it's a very plain armchair, but yeah, it's low and it's cute. I mean, it's not cute, but I'm not seeing a price. The price of the cushion and then the throw up on the back. And the book. Is it being low not good? Look on them lamp here. You know, sir, Mr. Lydia buy something like this here bedroom the other day. No, I just say it look nice. I don't know. I like this. I mean, of course, we wouldn't need a closet piece. I like that TV piece too. Though we wouldn't have that either. I like them lights for me. No, as in over the vanity where you buy me.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh wow, is that like this enough? I did not see that. The table is $129. Wouldn't need it, but I just have, you know. What is this? Okay. And the lights are $49. This is nice. That's what I said, the bed.
Yes,
The bed not bad.
yeah.
But the railing though. Well, not railing, but like.
One of them, we just need something to keep it. One of them body to that.
I like the tent top too. How much is it?
I don't know.
200?
200. I'm gonna trust it. It's not right.
What do you mean?
$200 for this?
Twin reversible bed, $200.
You need to have someone you can replace on that.
And the mattress. Is that the mattress? Yeah, the mattress are $150. Yeah, I like this bed. And at least we wouldn't have to buy a side. And I like the table. Yeah, exactly, because this way him would have want to stay in that room. This is nice. Yeah, because to the price again, $199. And then this on the wall look good too. The way how them do it. Even though you buy the plastic cubbies already, but you know. We are feeling this room, guys. And I think I like this table and chair too.
Yeah.
How much is it? $19 for the chair, $30 for the table. Oh, from downstairs. Oh yeah. You like this, baby? Yes. And you know, for some reason, I always have a kitchen something there, but yeah, I won't look at it. Yeah. And we can store things underneath. It kind of too low. So I think we really like that bed, guys. Like, that bed was cute. And Zaïre look happy when him see it too. So we're left now? I left now?
If you want.
I mean, I don't really think. I just come with a couple look anyway, because we never buy today, so. So guys, that is Ikea for today. Next week we'll come back
Purchase!
Yeah, next week we'll actually come back and purchase, so. Say hi, Zaïre, say hi. Hi, everybody. Beat it. So we just got some stuff at Walmart. Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. Spin.
We had to buy that because him never.
Oh, let it go.
Not even that alone, him just did fatiguing. Do we have space?
I think. Still have a seat, though.
Oh, good. Okay, guys, so we finally get back. We finally get back. The quality look nice, see? This is what happens when we take off the case off of the phone. But yeah. I mean, to tell himself to eat the fries so fast. So yeah, as me say, that was the business when we did supposed to conduct from the day when we did stuck in the snowstorm from the last vlog, right? So at least we finally sort that out now. So I'm done with Canadian Tire on that. It was a bit difficult, but it done.
You see when I witnessed me dead?
Make it eat some food, guys. You okay now? Are you going to eat slowly?
Yes.